Yes, today we will take the multiplication in matrices. First we'll start with scalar multiplication of matrix. Suppose A is a matrix of the order m by n, and since K is a scalar, so what happens when a scalar is multiplied to a matrix? And then Ka will be equal to a matrix in which all the elements are multiplied by the scalar quantity K. The order remains same. For example, if we have a matrix A 1 0 3 2 1 5, and if we need to find 5 of A, so the new matrix 5 of A will be 5 into 1, that is 5, into 0, that is 0, 5 into 3, that is 15, 5 into 2, that is 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 5 will be 25. So this way a scalar multiplication of a matrix is defined. Now we come to a very important part which is called the multiplication of matrices. Multiplication in matrices is possible only if one condition is satisfied. What is that condition? If A is a matrix of the order m by n and B is a matrix of the order n by p. Multiplication of A and B, that means AB product. AB product is possible if and only if here n is the number of columns in the first should be equal to number of rows in the second. So here AB is possible, a new matrix C will be formed, and the order will be now m by p. Its order will be m by p. Now again, for the same case, if we take AB is possible, can BA possible? Now we see that B, here the number of row and column is P. If I want to write BA, so it is n by P and A order is m by n. Here the number of column is not equal to number of rows. So we can say that in this particular case, product BA is not possible. Now, let's start what is the process to find the product of two matrices. Here I have taken A of the order 2 by 2, a matrix of order 2 by 2, and B is again a matrix of order 2 by 2. Now, I can see here its order is 2 by 2 and its order is again 2 by 2. Here the number of columns are 2 and here the number of rows are 2. So that means this AB is possible because here number of column is equal to number of rows here. So if I say a new matrix AB, which is equal to, I have given a name C. I have given it a name C, and if C is a new product of the two matrices A and B, how we will find this product? Now again the resultant, as I say, the resultant will be of the order 2 by 2. So that means I have to form 2 rows and 2 columns here. So how I'll write? I will write first here the matrix is A. I will write first the elements of A, 2 plus 1. First row elements I will add. And again 2 plus 1. Since I have to form 2 columns, so 2 times I'll be writing. And again the horizontal line 3 plus minus 5, 3 plus minus 5. Now what I have to do, I have to pick the vertical column here of B, and this I will be doing, I'll be multiplying 4 here by 2 and 0 by here, 4 by here and 0, 2 for minus 5, minus 1 to 2 here, 2 to 1, again minus 1 to 3 and 2 to minus 5. Now the resultant will be 4 2s are 8 plus 0 8, minus 2 plus 2 that is 0, 4 3s are 12 plus 0 that is 12, minus 3 minus 10 that is 30. So hence we have found the matrix C which is equal to AB product. Now let us find the product BA. Now for finding BA, let us suppose it is a new matrix D. So BA, so I'll write the matrix B here and matrix A here. Again I can see that its order is 2 by 2. This is order 2 by 2. So the resultant will be of the order 2 by 2 again. So what I need to do again, I will be adding the matrix or the elements of the first row. How many times? 2 times. 4 plus minus 1. Again 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. Now I'll pick the vertical elements here in the second matrix. So this is 2 and 3. So 2 will be multiplied here and 3 here. 2 will be multiplied here and 3 here. Then again the second column here, 1 into minus 5. So I'll write here minus 5. Then 1 into minus 5. So the resultant BA will be equal to 8 minus 3 that is 5, 4 plus 5 that is 9, 0 plus 6 that is 6, and it is 0 plus minus 10, this is minus 10. Now hence we have found the new matrix BA. Here we can compare the two things here, that the result AB is not equal to BA. So we can say that, we can conclude that in two matrices it is not possible that AB product is not equal to BA product. Hence we can conclude one property, that matrix product is not commutative.